Want to make your Canva designs look more professional and organized? One simple way is by adding page numbers, and today I'm going to show you the easiest way to do it in 2025. First, open your Canva project and head over to the text section. Here, you'll find something called dynamic text. This is where the magic happens. Click on page numbers and you'll see different formats to choose from, like numbers only or page X of Y. Pick the one that suits your design best. Once you've selected a format, click Apply Properties to all pages. This will automatically add numbers to every page, saving you the hassle of doing it manually. But it doesn't stop there. You can fully customize these numbers. Change the font, color, and size so they match your design perfectly. Want the numbers on some pages but not others? No problem. Canva lets you choose exactly which pages display the page numbers, giving you complete control. With just a few clicks, your document looks organized, professional, and ready to share. Adding page numbers has never been this simple. Now it's your turn. Try it out and see how it instantly upgrades your Canva projects.